Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. What's poppin'? Hope you guys are having an amazing day. I don't hope this video that you're tapping. So, I'm sorry, that was so old. I'm sorry. I just had to do that at the start of every video, but here's the video about, I'm pretty sure this is Paper.io, in other words, part 2. Let's go. Get on with the video. Okay, guys, so today we'll be playing Paper.io. And Paper.io, Paper.io in other words, but let's play Code.org, that's my game. Down there, self-promotion. Error. Yeah, so we're playing Paper.io. Paper.io. Paper.io, here it is. Let's play it. Big Bob, yep, that's my name from last time. Here we go, let's get down with it. Let's play. Really? An ad? First up, just, oh yeah, just play Fortnite. Oh yeah, guys, tell me if you want me to play Fortnite, okay? Should we go on a big, guys? Put some bench on it. Just put some bench on it. Sorry for not talking, guys. I'm so dumb. Tell me if you guys want me to go back at looking memes. A second. Or I shouldn't actually do that. There we go. Tell me if you guys want me to go back to doing memes or doing Happy Wheels, Minecraft, Paper.io, or Slither.io. Just tell me. Sorry guys, that was a dramatic hand cover. Let's go. Okay. Oh, yep, what's this? Here you are. Tell me, also, tell me if you guys want me to be up here, down here, or down here, or where I normally have it. I'm going to keep it here for now. Okay. Play again. Here we go. Get your up. Oh my. Okay, yeah, guys, we're going big. Oh, go big or go home. And now I'm running on it too. I'm strong, buff man. And I'm kidding, guys. Okay, so actually, I'm going to title this video IO games. So now we're going to play Slitherio. So how do I spell Slitherio? Slither.io. Let's play that. Slitherio. Okay, guys. Paper.io. While that's loading, we'll just play Paper.io. By the way, guys, I've got to use it. There was an ad. And I just started playing again so I could get a little more practice. But it looks like that didn't work out. Uno and Ryland are in on two. I've got like a perfect little square here. I like it. Ding. Uno and Ryland are in on two. Okay, let's stop advertising. Oh, Slitherio, is it done? Yes! Nickname. Tell me what you want me to call myself in the comment section. Okay, Big Bob is what I'm gonna go with now. Seriously, Big Bob. Okay, finally, Big Bob. Let's play some Slitherio. How do you control it? Is it like settings or something? This is very laggy. No, and Ryland. I used to love playing Slitherio, except when it lags like this. And Ryland are in on the toe. Trying to Okay, guys, length. Oh, I got 120 dots. 123. That's not half bad. Okay, guys, I need to move you down here for a second. I need to see it. Is there like a? There's no. Did I just kill myself in a game? Graphics low, high. I'm gonna put it on low to see if that will help. But we need to change our skin. There should be like stars. Yep. I used to love the ones with like the little dips on the end. I'm trying to find. Oh, there they. This is a Jacksepticeye one. Build one. Jeez. Let's build like one of these. I'll do a few of those. Then grab like a few stars. Then back that blue into this. This looks amazing. Best color ever. Maybe a little bit purple. And some red. Save. Oh, that could be my actual skin. I'm trying to find the ones with the dips on the end. See these things? They've got little like dips on the end of it. Jacksepticeye one. I'm trying to find a good one. Oh, this was the one that I loved. Yes, these ones. It's like that's a PewDiePie one. Kellogg, yeah. I'm using Kellogg's. Yeah. This is low quality graphics. Warning you, if you're squeamish, look away. Even with low gravity, we're still terrible. No, and Ryland are in on the two. To ranch on it. Oh no, and Ryland are in on the two. Put some ranch on it. Just put some ranch on it. Okay, guys, we're getting pretty big. I'm not gonna try and kill anyone just yet. My name's Big Bob. Am I on the leaderboard yet? I have no idea because I can barely see it. Sorry about covering the leaderboard, guys. He killed me. Okay, now that we've done those 2 games, let's hope to get in one last one. We've got about 5 more minutes left till I have to go somewhere, so I hope we can get this done. Sorry about the hair situation, that'll be fixed in the next video. So, connecting to quick connect. Big Bob plays guest. Yeah, I know. Okay, can I do it? Can I play? Oh, this is so good. This is so much better than Slitherio. Oh, he just ate me. And he ate me. Lovely. Play as a guest again because I don't have a login. Oh no. You got what I need about anything that goes on. Okay, guys. Why is it doing this? So many ads. Copyright. Oh my goodness. I'm not bloody robot. Closing this. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. Wait, this doesn't feel right. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please, please, please give it a big fat thumbs up. That would be greatly appreciated. And as always, sorry, I accidentally stopped recording. Sorry. Yeah, please comment, like, and subscribe if you're new here. Then you'll be signed up to see more videos. And also next to the subscribe button, once you click it, there should be a little tiny bell icon. Please click that so it's ringing, and then you'll be notified of all my uploads as soon as they come out. And as always, stay bougie and Gucci. See you guys.